everybody, it's just Mariah. Welcome back to my channel again. And today I will be opening my new Jojo bows. I know I said in my previous videos that my bows didn't come yet. So this is the day that they came and I'm so excited. So let's get on with the video. So they have numbers on them. I'm just gonna do whatever suits me. So I'm opening this one first, and I can already tell that they're so pretty. Like, look guys, like, I don't know if you could see them, but there's Jojo. So, yeah, let me go ahead and take this bowl because I think I'm going to be trying. Oh my gosh, I can already see the sequins. I really do like this one. Like, it's not sequins like that one, but it's like sparkly. How's that look? Ooh. Guys, comment below which one is your favorite. I really do like this unicorn one. And I really like this blue one too. Blue is one of my favorite colors. So I think that I would really like this one. It could have gone good with this outfit if it came early. And I really like this one because it has like diamonds on it. And it's like, I really don't know. It's just so pretty. And it just has like this little sparkle thing. Like wow. Let's see for the sequins. Oh my gosh, like, I know this is the same one as my backpack because it changes to silver. So that's really cool. Ooh. I'm so excited to see the other ones. Oh my gosh. This is so satisfying. And this black one will go great with a black outfit. It has unicorns on it too. I really like JoJo's bows and her like brands and clothes because like they're just like really pretty and different, and I really think that that's right for me for my outfits. So I really do enjoy wearing bows, and I look forward to seeing what else JoJo has out next. So on with the next package. This is like a big package. Whoa, look at all these bows. What? Oh, I can see the unicorn. I love like rainbows and anything like colorful. I just love it. They just make me happy. So, like, move out the way. Ooh, look at this unicorn one. It has like a horn. Oh my gosh. Comment below if you have any of these bows and give it a thumbs up if you do and if you like them. Look at this one. It's like I don't know how to explain it. I know the word, but I think it's abstract. Yeah, abstract is abstract art. Oh, I like this one. Oh, I already showed you guys that one. Oh, it's the same. Did I? I don't think so. No, I didn't show you guys that one. But I like them. I like the unicorn horns and the hearts, and it's just so awesome. Got this one. I don't know what it says. Love and different, I don't know, signs. But I really like this one too. This will go great with a white outfit. And this heart one. Again, I love these faded colors because it just blends in with everything. See, like, It's just so awesome. This gold one I think is pretty cool because the color is just phenomenal. And it just really brings out your outfit, I think. I've seen this somewhere online. I like this one. It's kind of like sequins, but it's not like, I don't know. But I really like these bows. Like, look. I'm flawless. And this one, ooh, I like this one because it has like stars and the stripes. Wow, like look at that. It's like awesome. And this one, it's a bow with a bow, and it's just so beautiful. Look, that's so weird, but it's cute. Like it's a bow on a bow. And this Minnie Mouse, the shoes that I wore for the first day of school, I really thought that would match because the brand was Minnie Mouse, but this brand is not Minnie Mouse, it's Jojo Siwa. But I really like how that will match with my Minnie Mouse shoes. Like, don't you guys think? If you haven't go watch my first day of school, go watch that one because that's pretty cool, like how I dressed. And I have another unicorn with the horn, and in the middle it has like white softness. I have another bow like that, I think. But I really like the unicorn horns and unicorn bows. And this one, it's a lot of unicorns. Like, I don't even know, but it's a lot of unicorns. Ooh! My brother just said, ooh, I just said, ooh. And I have a blue, I don't know what it says on here, but I guess it's just anything. But, I really like these bows. Yeah, so these are all my bows, guys. Make sure to comment below, like, which one you like the most. And which one you just like. And I think I like the sequence one and the heart one, like the sequence and the heart, like this one. I thought that was really pretty, but I also like the other ones, but I don't know, I just love like red and hearts. But yeah, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment below which bow you like the most, and comment below if you ever have Jojo Siwa's brand. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, and bye!